Hello, good morning. We are going to do lesson 112 today, and that is with subtracting. We're going to fill some empty places with zeros. It's a pretty short lesson today, so if you haven't grabbed your journal to write in it yet, go ahead and grab it now. And obviously push pause so you don't miss it because I'm serious. It's pretty short today. Okay, so what happens when we're subtracting and our decimal? We're going to go 0.4 and we're going to subtract 0.23. So we have 4/10 and we have 23 hundredths. Okay, so what we're going to do is first we need to line up the decimal places, right? Okay, and subtract. Are decimal places lined up? They are, but what do you notice over here? There is a empty place. Yeah, good job. Okay, so what we're going to do is put a 0 over here to fill it up so we can go ahead and do our regular subtraction. 3 can't be taken away from 0, so we need to go next door. And 3 can be taken away 10 because 10 minus 3 is 7. Good job. 3 take away 2 is 1. And we have the answer of 17 hundredths. So that's all we are going to do today is go ahead and fill those in. So let's look at practice. Open up your journals if you haven't already. And let's take a look at A. A is 0.3, and we're going to subtract 0.15. So we've lined up our decimals, and we're ready to go. But what do we need to do? Yeah, we're going to fill the empty space with a 0 and go ahead and subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. And that 2 minus 1 is 1. And we have our answer of 15 thousandths. Hundreds. Sorry, guys. Okay, B. We have 0.3, and we're going to subtract 0.25. Decimals are lovely and lined up, but we have a space to fill with a 0. 10 take away 5 is 5. 2 take away 2 is 0. Our answer is 5 hundredths. 5 hundredths. Very good. Okay, so take a look at letter C and go ahead and write it down. 4.2. Line up our decimals of 0.42. And go ahead and subtract, and we'll check it in just a minute. I fix my easel. There we go. Did you get that for an answer? Yeah, it's 3 and 78 hundredths. Perfect. Okay, one more practice, and then we'll get to work. So D, we'll put over here for today. We have 3.5, and we're going to take away 0.35. Line up your decimals because they're definitely not the same numbers. Okay, fill in your extra spot with 0. You did that. Super. And then 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 3 minus 0 is 3. Don't forget your decimal point. And we have 3 and 15 hundredths. So this is our lesson today with when we subtract with decimal numbers, we fill the empty spots or places with 0. So go ahead and do numbers 1 through 25 today. And I'll see you at Lifetime if you have any questions. Have a great morning. See you soon.